In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and configure the FunnelKit Cart plugin. And this is an incredibly powerful plugin for any WooCommerce website. Let me show you what it can do for you. So here I am on my WooCommerce store, and you'll notice that we have this floating cart icon down here. And if I click this, it reveals my cart as it slides out. It lists the items in my cart, I can enter a coupon code, and I could click to go to checkout. Now, if I go down and I'm browsing, I could add this into my cart, and that slides it out and it updates the quantity. I could go ahead and add this product here, and that's going to get added there as well. And it's also going to let me know how much I'm saving because this product is currently on sale. If I go ahead and apply a coupon code here, welcome, and press apply, it shows me the coupon code has been applied here and the discount that was just taken off. And then it has my order total here in the go to checkout button. Using the FunnelKit Cart plugin, you can also go ahead and add a cart icon to your header. When you click it, it slides out the cart. And you can control where you output this WooCommerce cart in your header. In the settings page, you can select which WordPress menu you want to add it onto the end to. So here I have my header menu selected. And you also have the option to output it using a shortcode wherever you want throughout your theme. Inside the plugin settings, you can also style the cart so that it matches the branding and the theme of your website. Oh, and another feature that you and your customers are going to love is the ability for your customers to go to your website, add something into their cart, the cart slides out, and then they have the ability to pay using Apple Pay or Google Pay. And these are known as express checkout options for a reason. When they click this button on their device, they can then tap one button that will charge their card. The order is placed in your website, and your customer basically skips your entire checkout process. They don't have to enter all their details in your checkout form, and everything that you just saw is available in the free version of the FunnelKit Cart plugin. So I'm going to show you in this video today how to go and configure this in your website so you can get all of this set up extremely fast and again for free. But then once we go ahead and do that, I'm going to show you what's available in the Pro version, which unlocks some features that will help you sell more products in your WooCommerce website. With the Pro version, you have access to upsells and rewards. So upsells are the upsells that you see here on the side of the cart, but you can configure it here with the styles to change the placement of how they appear during your checkout process. Then the other Pro feature, rewards, incentivizes your customer to spend more in your store to unlock things during the checkout process. So here we have a welcome discount where they spend over a certain amount, over $50, and they get a coupon code automatically applied. And then if they spend over this amount, they unlock free shipping. And then if they spend over this amount, they get a free gift. So here, if I hover on this, it tells me to unlock the welcome discount. I need to spend $25, and this is worth $40. So if I click add, that gets added to my cart. I've just unlocked that first reward, and it automatically applied my welcome coupon code for 5% off. And then it lets me know if I spend another $35, I'll unlock free shipping. So if I go down, maybe I want to add the eyeshadow palette to my cart because I was incentivized to do so, and now I've unlocked free shipping. And it's letting me know to reach the next milestone and unlock the free gift reward, I could spend $75. So that's an overview of the FunnelKit Cart plugin. If you want to see how to do that, this video here is going to show you how to enable that, so we'll see you in that video.